Hi, my name's Eric Rayler. I'm an account executive here at Clearstory, covering our specialty contractors. And today we'll take a look at how specialty contractors can leverage the Clearstory shared real-time change order request log. We found that most PMs are managing their change order requests in Excel sheets, as well as storing them in their project folders, which creates a lot of manual effort for you as a PM to not only keep that up to date, but also share that with your customer. How often is it that there's discrepancies between your log and their log, and you guys have to spend a lot of extra time to make sure that those are reconciled, creating a lot of delays and extra financial risk for you as a company? Clearstory's shared real-time change order request log keeps you and your customer alive in real time with all the backups stored in one place to eliminate surprises and speed up the approval process. The best part is you can start using Clearstory log instantly without changing anything you are doing by simply uploading your change order request through Clearstory. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing we'll do is navigate to our change order request log. Up at the top here, we'll hit add new, add a change order request, or upload a change order request that we've already created. When I click on that, it takes us to our upload page, which has a few things that are required. The first is selecting your project. You as a PM will only see the projects that you're on. Then you have to create a title and the total requested amount. For this one in particular, it's $6,407.83. From there, all you have to do is drag and drop your change order request or select that from your desktop. From there, because we've already set it up at the project level, your customer will automatically be in the distribution list. We'll hit send and now send them an email copy of this change order request, as well as update our change order request log. You can export as a PDF, Excel, email it over, but the most common and widely used one is the shared link right here. You click on the shared link and hit export. It's to give you a live link that you can now share with your customer. They can save to their browser, and at any point they can see live in real time the status and the health of the change order request log. You can copy that, send it over to them, and they do not have to have a Clearstory account to access that. They can save it to their browser and view that information whenever they want. A couple things to highlight within the change order request log that might be valuable to you as a PM. First and foremost is the days aging. We're automatically keep track of the days aging on a per change order request level, as well as the file views. How many times has my customer actually opened this? If I scroll down here to 63877, this has been out for 13 days. They haven't even opened it yet. In a matter of 2 clicks, you can actually resend this to your customer. You don't have to go back through your emails, your project folders, and spend a lot of manual time finding out which change orders are past due, which ones I need to follow up on. We'll give that information to you at the touch of a fingertip and give you the ability to send that super quickly. We'll go ahead and jump into one of these change order requests now and take a look at some of the backup information we'll automatically keep track of for you. Over here on the right, your feed, this is be shared with your customer. And essentially it's an audit log of every single action item that took place on any individual change order request. When you created it, when you sent it, every time you created a revision, and every time they opened it will be tracked, managed, and stored here as backup. We can manage revisions within our platform. You also have the ability to see a version history. If you want to look at an older version to see what has changed, you can click on that and it'll automatically pull that change order request up, as well as let you and your customer know that you're looking at a previous version, and it's very easy to return to this latest version. Again, taking out some of the discrepancies you might be feeling when you're working with your customer in 2 different static logs. And it's as easy as that. If you're ready to learn more, check out the rest of our use case pages, or you can set up a live walkthrough by clicking on the request button.